First of all, make a slip knot. After making slip knot, chain. Now yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over again, pull it through the loop, chain 10. After completing chain 10, make a row of double crochet stitches. Now into the 4th chain from the hook, make first DC. For making DC, yarn over, go into the chain stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. Now skip 1 chain stitch and make a double crochet stitch in the next chain stitch. Make one more DC in the next stitch. Chain 1 again and skip next chain stitch and make 2 DC stitches in the last 2 chain stitches. Now this is the first row. For making a second row, chain 3, turn the work and make DC on the top of a DC stitch. Chain 1 when there is a chain in the previous row and make DC on the top of a DC stitch. Now chain 1 again and make 2 last DC in the next 2 DC stitches. Start another row with chain 3. Now 3 rows are done. I'm going to make 12 more to make total of 15 rows. Now weave in the end. Now hide the leftover yarn end using a tapestry needle.